Hi children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today's assignment for class 7th, assignment number 3, topic is heat measurement. In that first question, define clinical thermometer. What is clinical thermometer? Clinical thermometer is nothing but it is used to measure the temperature of the human body. That is, it is used in a hospital. Doctors uses clinical thermometer to measure the temperature of the human body. That is called clinical thermometer. Next question, what is the range of Celsius and Fahrenheit scales in clinical thermometer? Generally, Celsius scale, it is about 35 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius, and whereas in Fahrenheit scale it is about 95 degree Fahrenheit to 110 degree Fahrenheit is the range of clinical thermometer used in hospitals. Okay. Next question, draw a neat and labeled diagram of clinical thermometer. This is the clinical thermometer made up of with glass. Inside a small bore will be there, that is capillary tube like bore with a small radius and a bulb. This is the bulb. In this we can fill thermometric liquid as mercury. So it is the range of clinical thermometer just now we discussed, that is 95 degree Fahrenheit to 110 degree Fahrenheit, and sometimes it may provide the another labeling also, calibration, that is in Celsius scale, that is 35 degree Celsius to 37 degree, that is 45 degree Fahrenheit. So this is about the diagram of the clinical thermometer. Next question, what is the normal temperature of human body both in Celsius and Fahrenheit scales? The normal temperature of the human body, healthy human body, is in Celsius scale is 37 degrees Celsius, and in Fahrenheit scale the temperature is 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. Next question, how does the laboratory thermometer differ from the clinical thermometer? The name itself giving the laboratory thermometer. So clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of the human body, but whereas the laboratory thermometer is unable to use to measure the temperature of the human body. It will not the purpose of measuring the temperature of the human body. Similarly, the range of the clinical thermometer range just now we discussed, that is 37 to 45 degree Celsius, whereas the laboratory thermometer is it can able to measure low temperatures and as well as high temperature, that is negative temperature also we can able to measure, that is minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degree Celsius, that is minus values, negative values to positive values we can measure by using laboratory thermometer. So these are the some differences between clinical and laboratory thermometer. So with this, today's assignment is completed. Hope you understood all. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.